This is Trayanne with the FRVTA, and I'm at the South Florida Fairgrounds for a sneak peek of the 2026 West Palm Beach RV Show. Right now, the fairgrounds are buzzing with activity as everything comes together before the gates open. RVs are arriving, being carefully positioned, leveled, and staged. It takes days of planning and a dedicated team on the ground to transform an open fairgrounds into a full RV showcase. There's also a lot of coordination happening behind the scenes. Dealers are working alongside event staff to ensure every RV is placed just right, powered up, detailed, and ready to welcome guests. It is organized, strategic, and fast-paced, also that when you arrive, everything feels polished, professional, and effortless. Once the show opens, this space will be completely transformed. The West Palm Beach RV Show brings together the best new and used RVs of all classes from 6 local dealers, all in one location. From motorhomes to travel trailers and fifth wheels, you will be able to step inside beautifully designed interiors, explore new floor plans, and see the latest technology that is redefining comfort and convenience on the road. This is where innovation meets lifestyle. Whether you are new to RVing or looking to upgrade, this is your opportunity to compare models side by side and find the perfect fit for your next adventure. There is nothing like seeing these RVs in person. Photos online simply cannot compare to walking through spacious living areas and truly experiencing how each layout feels. Being able to step from one brand to another in just a few minutes gives you the clarity and confidence that you are making the right choice. And beyond the RVs themselves, there is an energy at this show that is hard to describe until you experience it. Families will be here planning their first trip, seasoned travelers looking for the next upgrade, and couples dreaming about hitting the road. Everyone is here for the same reason: the freedom of RV travel. If you have ever thought about owning an RV or upgrading your current one, this is the place to turn that idea into reality. We cannot wait to welcome you to the West Palm Beach RV Show right here in South Florida. Your journey truly begins here. The 2026 West Palm Beach RV Show is being held at the South Florida Fairgrounds February 19th through 22nd. The gates are open Thursday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. For more information, please visit our website, frvta.org, and click the show link on the homepage. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.